I am in Wenatchee. I'm here to help Keith and Mosier and Isaac get the S10 done and running for Mosier. I am also going to stop by a couple people's houses while I'm here, which I am on my way to Chris Tubbs' house. He's got a Fox Body Mustang that he's been working on for a little bit and he's almost done with. So I want to show you guys a little bit more of all of our club members' cars. So I'm going to try to stop by and see a couple people and show you all of our projects that we got going on, and then catch up with you at Tubbs' house. You're officially on camera.
Oh man.
This is the beast.
Camera.
Camera lights action. All sorts of toys in here.
Oh yeah.
Secretly, this is Tubbs' real race car though.
Oh man. That's the high dollar, high horsepower.
Oh. Yeah.
She is. Getting close.
It's getting really close.
Yeah, real close.
First time I've seen your little tube front end too. Looks good.
Yeah, you haven't really seen this at all.
No, I haven't seen it. That's why I was like, oh, I'm here, man. I need to catch up with some people. Get it on camera.
I gotta lengthen my headlight wires and blinkers, of course, so I can drive it on the street.
Right.
And
Street
then,
car.
You know, to get it running, really, I just gotta bridge the gaps. I need the boost reference one.
Oh, right.
But I can start it with this, you know.
Right.
Just don't hit any boost. I could even go around the block or something.
Right.
But just basically need the lines here. I mean, I just got my positive ran. You can open that door for me. Just got my positive all ran. My MSD's all hooked up. Ready for my cables in the bag. Go to my switch.
Oh, yeah. You do got all the cable around and everything.
I'm real close. Real close. Gonna need Keith's help probably with the pump. So I want another fabricational set of eyes back there with me.
Right.
And hooking it up. It's a expensive piece and stuff. You know, it's 2 wires.
Right.
But, you know, as for mounting it, hooking it up, I just want somebody else with me.
Sheesh. He did not spare no weight reduction. Yeah, you only have to shut it with your pinky.
And I'm even trying to find more to take out.
Well, I'm surprised you haven't started drilling holes here yet.
I'm going to. I take a page out of your book, but I was like, man, I got too much real estate there. I gotta get some holes in that.
Take it out of my book. Take it out of your book. You're the king of weight reduction, not me.
I like your holes though.
I like the way they look. I did it more for looks than I did real weight.
I would like to get a dimple die set and go ahead and do the next step.
Right.
Your stuff dimple die would look
not so jagged.
Yeah, it just puts that little bevel into it.
Right,
and
makes it look a lot more professional.
Yeah, the drag springs, it's got uppers and lowers. It's got the outer torque boxes done. I still got to do the inners, but I have it right here.
Oh, right.
Right. Got the solid bushings, got to put those in. Yeah, no give there.
No give.
No give. So,
surprised you're at. Well, I'm sure you'll get to there fabricating your own cage.
you know, I kind of want to just get one that's certified.
Yeah.
And go with it. Yeah, they sell nice ones for those guys that take the easy way out and build Fox bodies. Not really.
Nah.
It's a lot. Some dudes do that, you know, they do the easy thing, you know, you grab an LS, grab a Fox body, boom, hit the road.
Right.
But when you're poor and stuff and you're trying to make it, it is harder.
Right.
You know, it's more of a lifestyle of what you're doing.
I say it takes more brains.
And I'm staying with Ford, you know, so just trying to keep up with everything else. You know, I don't got the money to go to Coyote, and that's what I want to do, you know.
Right.
But I mean, this is what us Ford guys got to do that can't do a Coyote. Maybe that 7.3 will come up being cheaper.
Right.
You know, it's a push.
That's true.
I'd like to do that and that.
Right.
Get rid of the big block and put a 7.3 in it, you know.
Well, it definitely looks good.
Real close. I got to tap the pan. I think that really the only things I got to do is tap the pan for that, the turbo, do the fuel lines, and hook up the pump and, you know, like little plugs like that. And I mean, it's ready to go. I think everything's tight, everything's bolted down. Pulleys for the front, belt, you know, it's a little thicker.
Looks good. Looks real good.
6 bolts, I think the whole framing.
What do you think it's gonna weigh in at?
After reading what I read, what they start at 26.50, I think.
26.
I'm hoping it comes in around 21.
I think I can see it. Like I did this too.
Dustin's weighed 24, and it still had all of this when I did it.
Right.
And I did the doors a little more on mine. I did the bumper a little more on this one. I may get into the hatch a little bit, I'm not sure. I think the first thing that's going to go is probably going to be the hatch and window. I'm going to do that hardwood.
All right.
More than
on 3 performance. Should scream. I know a lot of people have seen setups similar to this, but I don't think they've seen setups as similar to this.
I've even looked a lot.
Yeah.
You know, I follow Neo a lot,
Right.
Neo Mustangs, and he's like the leading, to me, he's like the leading guy for on-3 stuff. He's
Right.
the guy out there just doing it all the time. Stock bottom ends and on-3 kits.
Right.
And just adding things here and there. But he does a lot of full weight. He seems
Right.
to do like a lot of full weight cars. This is like a stripped down version of kind of what he does, and I'm really interested because he's ran a 1097 with bone stock motor, bone stock weight, pretty much a bone stock car, turbo tire, springs and studs in the motor, and he's ran 1097.
Oh yeah.
Which ain't
Should
super
definitely-
fast, you know, but
That's still booking it. I mean, a lot of people
for 30-year-old technology,
Right.
you know.
still booking it. Being anywhere in the 10s is a good number.
And I think he made 470 on like 14 pounds on a bone stock, where this has
Right.
got aluminum heads. I've seen a couple of them out there with aluminum heads and on-3 kits. A lot of people do the stock bottom end stock motor thing.
Right.
Because you can make almost 500.
Right. Well, and
You
tuning's
know?
getting a lot better. People know more about
Yep.
how it's all working, so you don't blow it up.
You look at Project Stock Bottom
Right.
with the, you know, he's making like 800. I don't know anybody else doing that. He must have
Right.
like the top-notch tuner dude.
Right.
You know what I mean? But if I could make 5 in this, I think I could run with cars that make 6 or 7.
Right.
Because mostly everybody weighs in the 3.
And then the driver mod. You got a driver mod, man.
driver mod. I'm not gonna get Scooby-Doo to get over here so I can
Yeah.
get driver mod.
Yeah. But no, it's definitely coming together.
Yeah.
I just wanted to show you guys a couple more of the club member projects because they are tucked away. A lot of them been sitting. So like I said, you'll see Mosier's stuff coming out. We're gonna show Josh's stuff. I know we got Dustin and Joe out there working on stuff too. So hopefully I'll catch up with them on the way home and kind of get an update on all their stuff as well while I'm out and about. And then I'll catch up with you guys then. But for now, this is Tubbsy's car, and you'll be seeing him again. You'll be seeing it again, and it will be a competitor. Nobody doubt that.
I was telling him you're LS swapping it. This is just in here for right now so we can move it around.
Still
and drive
old
it.
school, have fun.
Oh yeah, this one's loaded.
Burn some rubber.
It had a big block in it.
Yeah, I kind of leaned it out.
He
too
broke
much.
it out. He broke it.
Yeah.
All gotta start somewhere.
Oh, you took the scoop off the bottom.
Yeah, I got tired of looking at that little dinky
A
fucking
little
breather.
dinky carb.
Yeah.
Or a little dinky. No.
What is he struggling with? To give you a bolt or what?
Put the nut on the bolt.
Why are you struggling putting a nut on a bolt for?
My truck is eating bolts or nuts. Shut the fuck up,
It takes on after you, apparently.
Tyler, there's a few fucking nuts here with the rubber shit. No.
What are you looking for? You should
A
have
nut.
all the nuts.
Yes. Oh, Jesus Christ. 2 have fallen.
Okay, look on top of the transmission then.
thing you got? There's the camera.
Oh.
You're now famous.
Be on top of the train somewhere if they haven't hit the ground.
That's what I am.
We might have to bleep some of this because
Yeah, somebody doesn't know how to nut cuts.
Yeah, that's me.
that's okay.
You can just do the fucking SpongeBob dolphin thing.
You know, if you knew how hard it was to edit videos, you wouldn't be saying that.
Well, get better.
You know, we've spent more time on this shifter than anything else today.
Kiss my ass.
Well,
Fuck are these
you
nuts?
do have 2 monkeys trying to put in a shifter. Or at least a monkey and a half.
I'm trying to find.
You're the full monkey, so you shut up.
No, I seriously have no idea where in the hell these two nuts fell to. No fucking clue.
I don't know what he's talking about, so I can't help him.
Well, I can't help him either.
Are you talking about these over here, Mosier? Any of these or what?
No. They're similar. No, not even close.
Yeah, whatever you do, don't lose anything that's down there for that stupid cable.
Well, as you can see, this is going really well. So when the shifter goes in, to some degree, we'll pick up.
Where?
Well, at least this sucker is finally in. Now
In reverse.
Mosier's done.
And park.
Fiddle.
Park. It's got 2 parks, right?
Yeah.
Well,
second
technically
part.
only has 1 park.
That's reverse.
Shifter's got 2 parts.
Neutral.
Well, shifter's got 2 parks, but truck's only
Fourth,
got 1 park.
third, second, first. Okay.
Where are you at now?
Neutral.
You sure?
Yeah. You're lucky that camera's on me right now.
You're lucky the camera's on. I could post it up and whoop your ass on Candid Camera. You want to find out? I'll leave it on. Well, come on, we can set it up.
Now I want to put all the fancy stuff on there.
Now he wants to put the fancy stuff on it. We're gonna post the camera up and whoop his ass. Then he gets scared.
No, I'm just thinking about having the button and everything.
What do you need a button for? Huh?
What do you need buttons for?
My shit works.
It don't work right now, does it?
Well, it doesn't right now. It doesn't mean it doesn't work. The button works just fine.
Jesus Christ, this guy.
So now what, Keith?
I need my own
Here, we'll
sound.
push it in and then hook up the cable or what?
Yeah.
I was trying.
Who's gonna steer it?
Not sure how much of this is gonna come in here because Mosier can't keep his mouth shut. But
That's what I do. I need my own sound.
no, you don't get your own sound.
I need my own sound. I want my own sound.
You are your own sound.
Hold on. Okay. Lock the steering column.
Oh, we're just on a bump.
The subscribers can vote on it. If Mosier needs his own sound.
Mosier needs to make more of a fucking appearance before he gets talking about his own
Hey,
sound.
you did it.
I don't give a shit. My camera.
Just put it in the blueprint.
Hashtag still gonna be slow. You hear that?
No.
I'm gonna buy you a sticker that says hashtag still gonna be slow. Yeah, you can get more cubes, more turbo, all you want. It's still...
I still have to catch up in the cube department.
Catch up. I'm only like what? 4.4 cubes bigger than him?
No.
I'm a 5'7", you're a 5'3". Come on, man.
The only reason this thing that didn't get us 6.0 is they were so expensive at the time. We found this one for like $250.
Yeah, well,
Alright, this freaking
catch up in cubes department. You need to catch up and stepping up and showing up department.
got that hung back on.
Oh man, that's funny.
What?
He drawn a picture out there and it was antlers and I thought it was big boobs.
Who?
Hell yeah.
Who? What are you, an owl? You shit
No.
your feathers?
I'm
That seems like a chintzy freaking tranny support. I don't like
It's
that. This looks
God, look
okay.
at you. You and your dirty fingers all over this oil pan.
Not me.
None nuts.
Oh, that's him.
You're a broken toilet seat.
So we got Keith's car in here, hiding away, waiting to be done. He's just looking, collecting dust. One day here soon, get this thing all cleaned back up to its former glory. These guys are in here still. 2 monkeys playing with the football apparently.
Calm
But
down from there, Dicklet.
at least we're getting stuff done. Or they're getting stuff done. Got the tranny cooler in it.
Damn it. Would you quit? Oh shit. Fuck.
So, we had an interesting turn of events. We didn't video a lot because we kind of ran into a wall. Mosier is in here taking his tranny out because
Let's not talk about it.
he doesn't want to talk about it.
Turd Ferguson.
It's Turd Ferguson. So, the deal is, put it in neutral, got everything hooked up, got it to kind of turn over, and then we went to go push it out of the garage. It would roll forward but not roll backwards. So something somehow is locked up in the transmission, and we gotta pull the tranny and take it out and look at it and figure out what's wrong. So that kind of put a hold on getting everything started, but Mosier's having a blast.
I'm gonna need a hand here in a sec too.
Alright guys, sorry for the abrupt ending to this video. We have a bunch of wildfires over here on the coast. Some smoke, or some wind picked up and blew a bunch of smoke in, and they're closing down the freeway, so I actually had to leave shortly after this video and get home. So I didn't get to stop with Dustin and Joe and check out their rides. But I can appreciate you guys continuing to be so supportive of the YouTube channel. It's growing pretty rapidly. And like I said, I can't thank you guys enough. There will be more coming up on all these rides that we've talked about just in there. We've got like at least 4 or 5 more other club members that are going to be coming out strong next year. And I'm, of course, working on the Hemi as hard as ever, trying to bring that back. I know a bunch of you guys are interested in that, but continue to subscribe, share, like the videos. I know some of these seem a little bit dull as of right now, but we will be bringing the content stronger than ever. And thank you again. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys soon.